Recording the sewer line here at 348 West Olympic Place. Date is January 15th, 2021. Making this recording after installing a sewer repair here at the property, down here in the right-of-way in the parking strip, where the line was completely broken. So, broken section of line. We're going to come back from this spot here, which is the Seattle City main. We're going to come out of the main here in a second. You're going to get a look at it. There's the city main right there flowing by. I'm going to zero out our footage. I'm not going to zero out our footage. We're at 36 feet 11 inches right there. So we're going to come back from that point. This is 6-inch diameter clay sewer pipe. It's got a turn there. Coming back into our plastic repair here, so 3611 to, there's the end of our plastic. What do we got? 1211, so 36, 12, 24 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we get down to the main. Let's see if I can't go upstream now. Get a look at this pipe going upstream. Oh, we've got, again, this is clay pipe as well. Got some minor root intrusion, a little bit more difficult to get this thing to go upstream, but we're getting there. And there's plastic, so, and it's plastic the rest of the way going up because I've cameraed this from the clean out. On the side of the building. So 28 feet 11 inches there, coming back. Again, this is clay, 6-inch diameter pipe, original to the building. I'm looking for any branch arm tie-ins there might be. The line's diving pretty heavy right there. Trying to see if we see any tie-ins there. It appears to just be sloping down. I don't see. Nope, I'm not seeing a tie-in there. Just a fitting and a turn. So 2811 down to 1211 again. What is that, 16 feet? 16 feet up, 24 feet down, 40 feet. A liner would get installed to have this thing line all the clay sections of this pipe. So it's as far as up and I'm going to be able to push that from here. Coming up out of the hole there, you're going to see our repair we installed here. A large wooden pole essentially on that almost on top of the pipe. I'll get some pictures of that, but ending the video there.